Understanding leadership, the driving force of business success. Leadership in a business context is a powerful and complex construct that encompasses a range of abilities, skills, and behaviors. It represents not only the capacity to set and achieve goals but also the ability to inspire, motivate, and guide teams through the ever-evolving landscape of the corporate world. Great leaders demonstrate adaptability, clear communication, and a commitment to cultivating an inclusive and positive corporate culture. The essence of leadership. At its core, effective leadership is about providing direction. Employees need clarity and a sense of purpose. Understanding where the organization is headed and who will lead them toward that goal is vital. This requires leaders not only to articulate the vision but also to embody that vision through their actions and decisions. It involves actively engaging with employees, clearly demonstrating how they can fulfill their roles while contributing to broader organizational objectives. Key components of effective leadership. 1. Character and integrity. Quality leadership is grounded in strong character traits such as honesty, trustworthiness, and ethical behavior. Leaders must align their actions with their words to foster a culture of accountability. 2. Communication skills. Effective leaders communicate regularly with their teams and establish channels for feedback. Listening is just as important. Understanding employees' perspectives and addressing concerns boosts morale and collaboration. 3. Vision and strategic planning. Good leaders possess the foresight to visualize where the organization needs to go. They analyze market trends, anticipate challenges, and craft strategies that drive growth while maintaining agility to adapt. 4. Positivity and support. Leaders who exhibit positivity and show genuine concern for their employees create an atmosphere conducive to high performance. They serve as sources of motivation and guidance, particularly during challenging times. 5. Empowerment and collaboration. Encouraging team members to take ownership of their work fosters a sense of empowerment. Effective leaders create opportunities for collaboration, ensuring that all team members can contribute their ideas and skills. Notable leadership examples. Influential business leaders throughout history have left imprints on their respective industries and the global economy. Figures such as Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk have not only developed winning strategies but have also inspired their employees and changed the way leading businesses operate. Case study: Jack Welch. One of the most demonstrative examples of effective leadership is Jack Welch, who served as the CEO of General Electric, GE, from 1981 to 2001. Under his stewardship, GE's market value soared from $12 billion to an astonishing $410 billion. Welch's focus on embracing change, fostering a culture of reinvention, and empowering managers and employees created ripples of transformation within the organization. His attempt to instill energy, engagement, and innovation in his workforce led to superior product quality and enhanced customer satisfaction. Qualities of an effective leader. Leaders come in various forms, and they can possess a myriad of qualities that make them effective. Motivational skills, the ability to inspire and rally teams around a common goal. Trustworthiness, building and maintaining trust with employees is fundamental. Competence and decisiveness, leaders must demonstrate expertise and make timely decisions based on analysis and intuition. Good communication, clear and effective communication is essential for fostering collaboration and understanding. Selflessness, prioritizing the team's or organization's goals over personal ambitions. Negative traits in leadership. Not every leader is effective, and certain negative traits can hinder a leader's efficacy. Common shortcomings include selfishness, prioritizing personal goals over team objectives can damage morale. Quick temper, leaders who lose their composure can create a toxic work environment. Inconsistency, lack of reliability can lead to confusion and uncertainty within the team. Micromanaging, overly controlling leaders stifle creativity and autonomy in team members. Leadership styles. An effective leader can embrace multiple styles depending on the circumstances and individuals involved. Some of the predominant styles include: 1. Leading by example, demonstrating behaviors you wish to encourage in others. 2. Delegation, assigning tasks based on team members' skills and expertise. 3. Directing, providing clear commands and direction from a position of authority. 4. Supportive leadership, assisting team members in meeting their goals and working collaboratively. Conclusion. In summary, leadership is a multifaceted art that goes beyond mere management skills. It involves setting clear goals, motivating teams, and creating an environment where employees can thrive. Understanding the key components of effective leadership, adopting positive traits, and refining leadership styles can lead to remarkable results and even propel individuals into high-ranking positions such as CEO or president. Whether the ambition is grand or modest, honing leadership skills is invaluable in achieving success in any organizational setting.